Delta, just click on home button, click execute, and let's wait a little bit for this script. Okay, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox, absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, then scroll down and you will find the online tool Delta Executor. And now we must enter our username, so let me paste my here. I already copied. Let me click continue guys, and let's see. User found, just click connect and import latest Delta Executor. Select script that you want to add to your account, click continue guys, and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for this. Okay, AP connected. Now just scroll down and click verify now, and let's see the next step. And now guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher from the app, or download it, complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download this DraftKings and Modo Casino, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this status completed, success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait a little bit for this redirecting guys, and let's see the next step. Injection successful guys, that's it. If you have this message, okay, so let me open my Roblox and let's test, does it actually work? Let's see guys. And now guys, look at this, I'm now in the game and we have this message: thank you for using Delta. Just click on home button, click execute, and let's wait a little bit for this script. Okay, and look at this guys, we have auto farm. Look at this, this is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.